How to delete old wallpaper on iPhone. So if you want to delete your old wallpaper on iPhone, or you set a new wallpaper, now you want to delete existing wallpaper on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete old wallpaper on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the side button to lock your iPhone. Now unlock your iPhone with your Face ID. Press and hold the wallpaper just like this. Press and hold your iPhone lock screen just like this. Then here you have access to all your old wallpapers. So let's say I want to delete this particular wallpaper. Just need to swipe up on the wallpaper just like this. Once you swiped up on the wallpaper, then go ahead and click on the trash icon. Or better still, swipe right or left and select your old wallpaper that you wanted to delete. Once you selected it, swipe up just like this, and then click on the trash icon. You're gonna see a pop-up that says delete this wallpaper. This wallpaper will be removed from both the lock screen and home screen. Then go ahead and click on delete this wallpaper. Then once you are left with the wallpaper you want to use, just click on it like this. Then go back. Then you should see all your old wallpaper deleted on your iPhone. So just need to repeat this similar approach to delete old wallpapers on your iPhone. So that is basically how to remove or delete old wallpapers on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.